Today, Elwood Farm Machinery with a Case 995 XL. Absolutely stunning tractor. Fitted with a loader, four-wheel drive. Very pretty. When she says, "You think my tractor's sexy?" it's this the one she's talking about. Three-point linkage, pickle pitch, PTO 1540, doing a little dance for you there, as you can tell. Trailer brakes, auxiliary spools. It is road registered with a V5 also. More loader. Very nice tractor. In the cab, fine seats for sitting on. A radio for dancing to. Turn that down a second. Look at that. Oh, there you go. It's weird on the camera. Anyway, joystick, loader controls. Very simple and easy to use. Lovely. On the rear, we've already seen the PTO dancing, so we're okay there. I got it up. Lovely. Very simple and easy to use. Working handbrake. Can be pushed forward first. Lovely. Sounding awesome there. First, second, third, fourth. Beautiful. Lovely seat, very comfy to sit in. The radios, we can hear them. Lovely. Handling the bumps with ease. Good brakes, which will stop you dead. Reverse. Beep, 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 beep. Lovely. Nice weather for it. Not going in high. Oh, cars, many of them. Let this fella come past. See you later, Mr. Copart. Right, so back in high and we're off. Driving nicely there. Brakes. Very sharp, very responsive brakes. Very nice to see. Any more verys to say, we'll be very doing it. Right, we'll go back again. Beep, 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 beep. Very light steering. Handbrake. What's up? More information available at elwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk and the Facebook page Elwood Farm Machinery. Thank you very much for your time.